Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome.
Perfect.
Today's topic is going to be life after culinary school. It's about 2 years because I finished, graduated November of 2018. So it's been about 2 years of me in culinary school. So what have I been up to since leaving culinary school? So I started a catering business, which of course, due to the lockdown at the moment, it has suffered, but I did get my first official client in December of last year, which thank God it did well, and I will leave pictures somewhere around here with my website as well so that you guys can see the work that I have done. And it was nerve-wracking, but it was amazing, and it was an experience I would love to have over and over and over again. But yeah, so I started a catering company. Struggling at the moment because of COVID, but it's almost done. But restrictions, hopefully events will start happening again and I can get more catering jobs. But yeah. The other thing that I started doing was, since the catering business was moving slow and the baking business was moving slow, what I decided to do was start a little mini tuck shop at home, which just sells a few things for kids around the neighborhood, and that has been making me enough money to be able to pay for my website and my business account, because you need a business account so that they see how the business account is doing. For when you're applying for anything for at least 6 months, you should have that information. You should have an active account, an active business account. So, and the new thing that I did is I applied to university, and I'm gonna be doing a management course, a business management course, through UNISA. And so since I am in business, I decided that let me acquire more skills and information on this regard. So that's what I'm doing. And the other thing that I'm doing is I am in the middle of a new business, starting a new business with partners in this case, and so that one is also still moving slowly. Hopefully in the few coming years it is gonna be launched and it's gonna be coming soon. I will leave all the social media links for the business somewhere in the description box so that y'all can go follow them, and the moment the business launches, y'all will know what the business is in tech, and I will be looking forward to actually launching the business, and I look forward to y'all guys being my customers. And the other thing that I've been trying to do, which y'all can help me out if you just hit that subscribe button, of course, and the like button as well if you like this video, is try to grow my YouTube channel. Since I started this YouTube channel in 2018, almost towards the end of the year, so I think it's about to reach 2 years of this YouTube channel. But of course, not being consistent online, which I understand is also a reason why my YouTube channel would be stagnant and not really growing, but that is also something that I'm coming back to now again. So I've been doing some YouTube and some social media. My Facebook account, my Facebook page is growing, and my other social media is they're trying as well, and hopefully we will get this soon. But yeah, my plans for the future. What does the future hold for the vendor chef? I'm gonna be trying to sell cakes. So what I'm doing at the moment is learning how to make cakes. So in university, in culinary school, I did food preparation and culinary arts, right? So you have pastry. So I didn't do the pastry side, but of course there is pastry in the other section of food preparation and culinary arts, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna learn the skills of making a cake. I can do flavors. That one is basically something that I feel like I've been trying to master, playing around with flavors, and that has been working out for me. So I just want to make cakes that taste good, smell good, and are amazing. The only thing I need to learn is how to decorate the cakes and how to make the cakes last for a long time and all of that. But very soon, my cake business with its own website is gonna be coming in very soon, and I hope you guys will be looking forward to it. So follow me on all my social media links so that you know when I launch it, so that y'all can support me. Thank you. Launching the new business I was talking about that we're in the middle of actually setting up at the moment. I will leave the social media links below and you will know exactly when we launch. Having more YouTube subscribers and people viewing my YouTube channel, so that at least I can get to a point where I can monetize my videos and at least try to I guess you can say make a living off of YouTube itself as well. But I know that it's still in the distant future, but I do hope that you guys do subscribe, comment, like, share, so that at least I can get to that point where my YouTube channel is monetized. Last but not least is getting more catering jobs. Hopefully the more we're easing the lockdown restrictions, more people will be doing functions, but at the same time, of course, I hope they're going to be doing it a little bit more of a safe way, which is also observing lockdown regulations and all of that. I think it's still at level 1 at the moment, so I know some functions are happening, but it still has to be about 50 people. But of course, knowing people, the number is about that. But that is for my plan for the future, is get more catering jobs, bake more. So guys, if you do want baked goods, I will put pictures of some baked goods that I have done. Please do contact. I will put the number on here and on the description box, WhatsApp number, business WhatsApp number, and my own and the phone number to call to place your order for baked stuff around time though. And I think that's basically the plan for the future at the moment, that what I'm willing to share with you guys at the moment. And guys, that is it for what I have been doing since I left culinary school since I finished and graduated from culinary school 2018. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you do come back again. If you're new to this channel, guys, check out my other videos. I hope you enjoyed them. I also have recipe videos if you want some. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.